In the dynamic world of road travel, having a reliable dash cam is paramount, and PRUVEEO takes center stage with its revolutionary dual FHD 1080p dash cam. Armed with cutting-edge features that redefine the driving experience, this device is not merely an observer, it's a game-changer. Let's delve into the impressive capabilities of this dash cam. Featuring the latest Novatek processor and an array of innovative functionalities. Capturing every detail. The PRUVEEO dash cam goes beyond mere recording. It captures moments in crystal clear 1080p at 30 fps with its dual cameras. For those opting for a single-channel experience, the device seamlessly switches to an impressive 2160p resolution at 24 fps, delivering unparalleled clarity and detail. With multiple resolution options, users can tailor their recording preferences to suit diverse scenarios, ensuring every detail is meticulously preserved. Wide-angle vision. Bid farewell to blind spots. The front and cabin cameras boast a 150 wide-angle lens, leaving no angle untouched. Together, they create a maximum viewing angle of 300, offering comprehensive coverage for any driving situation. Whether embarking on a family road trip or navigating the urban jungle as an Uber, Lyft, taxi, or cab driver, PRUVEEO has your visual needs covered. Enhanced visibility with 2.0-inch LCD. The 2.0-inch LCD screen enhances the user experience by providing a wider and clearer vision. Navigate settings, review footage, or capture snapshots effortlessly with the intuitive interface. This thoughtful design ensures seamless interaction with the dash cam, elevating overall convenience and usability. Smart features for every journey. Going beyond mere recording, PRUVEEO's dash cam focuses on enhancing safety and convenience. The built-in Wi-Fi feature enables seamless connectivity, allowing users to transfer footage or adjust settings on the go. The 24-hour parking monitor ensures your vehicle's protection even when parked, providing peace of mind in any situation. Massive storage capacity. Say goodbye to storage concerns. The PRUVEEO dash cam supports up to a staggering 512 gigabytes of storage, enabling users to capture hours of footage without constant deletion. This feature is particularly valuable for extended road trips or professional drivers spending long hours on the road. Night vision excellence. Drive confidently even in low-light conditions with the dash cam's infrared night vision capabilities. PRUVEEO ensures that every detail is captured day or night, delivering a comprehensive record of your journeys. Night vision excellence and WDR technology. Featuring top-of-the-line night vision capabilities and advanced wide dynamic range WDR technology. The cabin cameras of the PRUVEEO Dual FHD 1080p dash cam redefine low-light recording. Boasting an impressive f1.8 aperture and equipped with 4 infrared lights. These cameras go beyond merely capturing clear recordings. They elevate nighttime image performance to a level unmatched by other dash cams. The incorporation of the latest and most sensitive night vision image sensors ensures that the PRUVEEO dash cam excels in capturing stunning, detailed images even in the darkest spaces, setting a new standard for nighttime visibility in the world of dash cams. 24-hour parking monitor and flexible camera angles, elevating the PRUVEEO Dual FHD 1080p dash cam's functionality. The 24-hour parking monitor feature ensures your vehicle's safety even when stationary. To activate this feature during parking, acquiring an account hardwire kit with low battery voltage sensing not included is essential. This innovative addition transforms your dash cam into a vigilant guardian, providing continuous surveillance and peace of mind for your parked vehicle. Adding to its discreet yet powerful design, the dash cam's low-profile aesthetic allows it to seamlessly blend into its surroundings, becoming an inconspicuous witness to the road ahead. The dual cameras, with their unique flexibility, can be adjusted 50 degrees left and right and 180 degrees forward and backward, offering a customizable field of view to capture every detail. This versatility ensures optimal coverage, allowing you to tailor the camera angles to your specific needs and environment. Whether on the road or parked, the PRUVEEO dash cam stands ready to capture and safeguard every moment with its advanced features and thoughtful design. Loop recording, emergency accident locks, and battery-free design, incorporating advanced features for seamless recording. The PRUVEEO Dual FHD 108OP dash cam ensures a continuous and worry-free driving experience. The loop recording functionality guarantees indefinite coverage by automatically erasing the oldest unlocked footage when the memory card reaches its maximum storage capacity. Supporting Class 10 or above micro SD cards up to a staggering 512 gigabytes. Users have the flexibility to choose loop recording durations of 1, 2, or 3 minutes, tailoring the recording settings to their preferences. In the unfortunate event of a collision, the built-in G sensor takes immediate action. Sensing the impact, the D30 dash cam automatically locks the ongoing recording, preserving it as crucial evidence. What sets this feature apart is that the locked files are exempt from the loop recording cycle, ensuring that important footage is never overwritten, providing a comprehensive record of any unforeseen incidents on the road. Simplicity and user-friendly design are at the core of the PRUVEEO D30's installation process. Guided by reference images in the user manual, setting up this dash camera becomes a straightforward task. The accompanying suction mount, effortlessly installed in seconds on the windshield, ensures stability and easy adjustability. To complete the setup, insert a compatible SD card not provided. Link the dash cam to the power source, and you're ready to hit the road with confidence. One notable feature of the PRUVEEO D30 is the deliberate exclusion of a built-in battery. This strategic choice serves to safeguard against potential mishaps resulting from sun exposure, high temperatures within the vehicle, or battery damage. By relying on a continuous power source, the D30 remains operational and reliable throughout any driving conditions, ensuring consistent performance when you need it most. The combination of thoughtful design, advanced recording capabilities, and user-friendly installation makes the PRUVEEO Dual FHD 108OP dash cam a reliable companion for every journey, delivering peace of mind and unparalleled convenience.